Hi, welcome back to our Algebra 1 series. Today we're going to talk about how to write the equation of a line that is parallel or perpendicular to another line. So for example here, I want to write the equation of a line that is parallel to the given line. So I want to write the equation that's parallel to this line, but through the given point. So I'm going to end up using my point-slope form on all of these. And there's the point-slope form. My m, my slope, is going to be parallel to this slope. And what do I know about parallel lines? Well, parallel lines look a little bit like railroad tracks, right? And their slopes, their steepness are the same. So parallel slopes are the same, which means that this new slope is also going to be 6, or 6 over 1. And my x1, y1, I'm going to take that from the given point, is 3, negative 1. So what I'm going to do, let me move this up here, I'm going to substitute in my x1, my y1, and my m. And then we can see that two negatives will make a positive. And if I distribute this 6 to both parts, I get 6x minus 18. Now my very last step, I want to get the y by itself. I see plus 1, so I will minus 1 on both sides. And I'm going to get a final answer of y equals 6x minus 19. I had 18 negatives. I subtracted one more to get 19. All right, so again, parallel lines. Let me do this in blue this time. Parallel lines parallel to this equation and through the given point. So parallel, we know is the same slope, so I'm going to reuse 2/3. And my x1, y1 was 3, negative 1. So I'll take my point slope form, and I will substitute in my y1, which I know is negative 1, my m, my slope, which is the same since it's parallel, and my x1 is 3. All right, so we can again simplify. Two negatives make a positive. And when I distribute that 2/3 to the x, I get 2/3 x. And now over here in the corner, let me just show again 2/3 times 3, or I could make that times 3 over 1. And I will multiply across to get 6 over 3. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. And if you need help with multiplying fractions, you can check out that video in a couple of minutes. And then my last step would be to subtract 1 from both sides and get y equals 2/3 x minus 3. All right, why don't you try these first two problems, and then I will write the final answer in just a couple minutes. I'd like you to pause the video and then unpause and check your work. All right, so you should have paused and completed the work already. If not, just pause the video and then unpause when you're ready for the final answer. This should be y minus 5 equals 2x minus 2. So y equals 2x plus 1 would be your final answer. And here you would have y minus negative 4, or y plus 4, equals 1/3 x plus 3. So y equals 1/3 x minus 3, and here y equals 9x minus 45. So those would be your final answers because y minus 0 equals 9x minus 5. Those would be your final answers. Let me know what questions you've got, and I will see you soon.